how you can add a photo widget on your iPhone's home screen. Now this works for iOS 18, so make sure that you're on iOS 18. If you don't know if you are on iOS 18 or something else, this is how you check it. Go to settings, go to general, and go to software update. Now there you will see your version of iOS. If you don't have it, just download it from here. And after you're on iOS 18, what you'll need to do is just long press on any app, tap on edit home screen, and go to a page with a lot of space, and tap on edit on the top left and select add widget, and here you'll need to search for photos. Now tap on photos, and after you tap on photos, you can just select featured, or you can scroll and find albums that you want to add a widget. Now you can even create different albums on your photos to use as a widget. Now tap on add widget, and you can just you can change its size, you can even change its shape, and after you're done, press on done on the top right, and that is how you do it. So yeah, that is all for the video too, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more.